Hi everyone, I'm Tejaswini Jagannathan. I am currently working in EY and I did my school in Zion Matriculation. I did my 11th and 12th standard there. So, and then after school, I went on to pursue CPT, which is the foundation course that you guys have now. So, I did my CPT in one of the big institutes, which has like 400 students sitting in a class for 5 to 6 hours and all that. So that is when I realized that sitting in a class amongst 400 people, not able to ask the questions that comes into your mind when certain concepts are being taught, is definitely not going to help me in clearing my next levels of examinations. So that's when I was in search of places which will help me in giving that concentration which is required to a particular student and which will help me in understanding the concepts clearly. So I think in my inter I came to Sai CA Coaching Center, where sir was helping me a lot in lot of ways. So my perspective of looking at a 2 hours class is something different from what majority of people might be looking at. The thing is, sitting for 6 to 7 hours in a class where your brain gets drained out after a point of time, and coming back home after traveling to that particular institute and all, was getting very hectic for me in CPT itself. So inter was out of the question for me, because I was doing my college also. I was doing BCom honors at that time when I was doing my inter. So I had my college exams and my CA inter exams on the same day also. So that's how I had to clear my inter exams as well as my college exams put together. So looking at the 2 hours class is more helpful, because you will be able to process what is being taught in the class after coming back home. After attending a 2 hour session, you'll come back home and then you'll have enough time to process what has been taught in those 2 hours, and you'll have enough time to ask your own questions at the time of taking the concepts. So all these things put together will help us in approaching a professional examination. So when the examination is as such framed in a different manner. It's not the usual school or college exams that we'll have. So understanding the concepts is very, very important, because I personally believe that if you understand a particular concept, any type of sum under that particular concept, any person will be able to attend. So in those 2 hours, it is very easy for any person to understand those concepts and come back home, process it, understand what you have learned. You can have enough time to ask further questions and learn a particular concept deeply. So when you are able to learn a particular process left, right, center, I think that is more than enough for any person to go ahead and confidently write the exams. That amount of confidence I have not seen in students who have attended classes for 6 to 7 hours put together. I personally have friends who have attended such classes and who haven't cleared also, unfortunately. So my perspective of looking at the class is something different, and I feel it's not about the time that we are spending, but it's about the quality of the time that we are spending, because in that 6 to 7 hours or 8 I have seen people attending 8 hours of class as well. So in that time, most of the times people get tired. I get tired definitely. So, and not everything that is being taught after a point of time gets into your head. So that is something very difficult, unlike the 2 hour class that we have here. So I think I have scored 3 exemptions altogether in inter. I think I've had 2 exemptions in group 1 and 1 in group 2. This is my mark sheet, but I guess if you can see it clearly, in accounting I've scored 65, and in taxation I've scored 63, and in my group 2 I've scored exemption in accounting again 61, and auditing I've missed it by 1 mark, 59, and my information technology paper was 56. So this is my score in inter after attending 2 hours of class. So I think it's more than enough for any person to understand the concepts and get it clarified from sir, and your brain does not get drained out after a point of time, because I had my college exams along with this. I remember writing both the exams on the same day. So that is how my inter exams went on. So getting into an institute which will help you in understanding the concepts clearly, which will give you the freedom to ask whatever question that comes into your mind, is something very important when you attend a professional examination or when you're planning to attend any other professional course. And all the best to everyone who are planning to attend any sort of professional course, and I wish all of you come out with flying colors. Thank you.